Now we are going to start with our new topic, alkane. What are alkanes? Alkanes that contain single bond, that is called as they are saturated hydrocarbons. Alkanes containing single bond and they are known as saturated hydrocarbon. Their general formula is CnH2n plus 2. First member of series is meth, all the single bond in. First member of series is methane. Second member of series is ethane. Third member is propane and so on. But from the alkane only methane and ethane is there in our course. Basically alkanes are known as parabens. Why they are known as parabens? Because they all contain single bond and basically they are very less reactive. That is why they are known as parabens. One methane is called as greenhouse gas. Methane is called as greenhouse gas. You all know greenhouse effect and the greenhouse gas is methane. Now the structure of methane. What is the structure of methane? Methane structure is tetrahedron. Means one carbon is in the middle and four hydrogen at its corner and they are joining with each other in such a way that they are giving rise to a regular tetrahedron. Tetrahedron means four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next one, their sources. The sources of alkane is petroleum and natural gas. Now isomerism in alkane. There are two is there in our course, that is butane and pentane. Butane formula is C4H10 and pentane formula is C5H12. What is isomerism? Isomerism is having same molecular formula but different structural formula. Same molecular formula but different structure formula. So see, butane can be structure can be even either a straight chain or a branch chain. So butane first 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon, straight chain, that is why it is known as N-butane. How many hydrogen? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Carbon is 4. Next one 1, 2, 3 and 1. This alkyl is attached. This is branch chain. When you number it, that is 1, 2 and 3. So name will be 2-methyl, 3 carbon prop, all the single bond in. Now count the hydrogen 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 and 1, 10. And how many carbon? 4. Molecular formula is same but structure is different. This is straight chain and this is branch chain. This is straight chain and this is branch chain. Alright. So this is the isomer of butane. This we have done already in a previous video also. So pentane. Now pentane formula is C5H10. Either it will be straight or it will be branch. So branch mein they can form 3 straight chain they can form, and branch mein they can form 2 kind of structure. Straight chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. N-pentane. Now next is branch. So branch either it will be here or it can be here. If it will be here, branch is here, so numbering will start from here. So 1 and 2, the methyl will get position 2. If we are doing it from here, if we are putting this branch here, this methyl here, then also it is getting the position 2. So there is no need to worry. चाहे आप इधर लगा दीजिए, चाहे आप इधर लगा दीजिए. There are 5 carbon and there are 12 hydrogen. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 carbon. Name is 2-methyl butane. Third one, 1 carbon is there and 1 carbon is there. 3 की chain बनाई हमने and 2 methyl इस तरह से लगाए. Right? This is also a branch chain and 2 methyls are attached with middle carbon. So 2, 2 dimethyl propane will be its name. Remember one thing, if 1 carbon is attached with 3 other carbon atoms, the common name, ये तो इसके सबके जो these names are IUPAC name. Now what are the common name? Common name is butane and butane. There is no common name. Butane is a common name. Butane is a IUPAC name. Common name of this, when 1 carbon is attached with 3 other carbon atom, we put the word iso. और जितने कार्बन होंगे, कितने कार्बन है? 4. ब्यूट हो जाएगा and all the single bond in. So its common name will be isobutane. Common name will be isobutane. Here also 1 carbon is attached with 3 other carbon atoms. So its name will be iso. How many carbon are there? 5 carbon. So iso pentane. Common name will be isopentane. Remember, when one carbon is attached with 4 other carbon atoms, the name is neo. Common word we use, neo. One carbon is attaching with 4 other carbon atoms. So neo, how many number of atoms are there? 5. Number of carbon are there? 5. So pent, all the single bond ane. So its common name will be neopentane. Iso what? One carbon is attached with 3 other carbon atoms. Neo is one carbon is attached with 4 other carbon atoms. So it will be neopentane. Is it clear? Now, what are the method of preparation of these methane and ethane? The methane formula is CH4, ethane formula is C2H6. First method is lab method. In this, you have to learn only the reaction, what is the condition and how that particular gas is collected. So, यहाँ पर we are going to use for the preparation of methane, we are going to use sodium acetate. This COO is ester, which is not in our course. This functional group is not in our course, but here reaction is there, so we have to study. This is the ester and its suffix is O8. So 2 carbon are there, sodium is there, so sodium, 2 carbon eth, all the single bond an, and suffix is O8. So name will be sodium ethanoate. So sodium acetate or sodium ethanoate. React with NaOH. This in the presence of CO at 300 degrees Celsius will give you CH4 and Na2CO3. Remember one thing, while writing the reaction you have to balance it. Means always whenever you write the reaction, always write balanced reaction, and if condition is there you need to write the condition also. Now here, this lab method, till here it is a lab method. Lab method is decarboxylation reaction. What is decarboxylation reaction? That is removal of carbon dioxide. And here removal of carbon dioxide is there in the form of carbonate. See how? From here this bond will break down. यहाँ से ये पूरा part will remove. This full part is going to remove. What is removed? 2Na, Na2. How many O? 3O and C. What they are going to form? Na2CO3. What is left? This CH3 and H. What they are going to form? CH4. That's समझ में आई? Similarly here, this full part is going to remove. What they are going to form? Na2CO3. Na2CO3. And this C2H5 is going to react with this H and they will form C2H6. Alright. So this is what your lab preparation, and the gases are collected by downward displacement of water. Why now? As it is soluble in, since it is slightly soluble, but also they are colorless. That is why they cannot be directly, and they are colorless. That is why they cannot be collected like that only. Matlab we have to know कि gas is being collected or not. So they are collected by downward displacement of water. As they push that water down, and they will be collected in a tube. Next one, other method of preparation is from alkyl halides. Alkyl is methane and ethane is an aqueous. So one carbon है, one carbon से one carbon gas will form, that is methane. 2 carbon is there, 2 carbon से 2 carbon की gas will form, that is ethane. तो alkyl अगर methyl we are using, तो methane is going to form. If ethyl we are using, तो ethane is going to form. Halide can be iodine, bromine, chlorine, कुछ भी we can use here. Here we have used iodine. तो methyl iodide या फिर iodomethane. React with this nascent hydrogen. From where this nascent hydrogen come? From the reaction of Zn and HCl. This nascent hydrogen will come, and nascent hydrogen is highly reactive. So this यहाँ पर एक bond होगा. This bond is going to break. One H is going to react with CH3 forming CH4. Another H is going to react with I, forming HI, right? Similarly here, bond will be there. This bond is going to break. One H is going to react with C2H5, forming C2H6, and one H is going to react with I, forming HI. In place of I, CH3I, we can use CH3Br. In place of C2H5I, we can use C2H5Br. If we are using, suppose we are using here Br, then it is going to form C2H6, and then here they are going to form HBr. Right or wrong? Next, these are the methods which we can use for preparing methane and methane both. Now, there is a specific method from which we can only prepare methane. There is a specific method from which we can only prepare ethane. Methane, we are going to use aluminium carbide. Aluminium valency is 3, carbon valency 4. So, Al4C3 reacted with water. Water will break down in H plus and OH minus. Aluminium being positive, they are going to react with OH and they will form aluminium hydroxide, and this carbon will react with hydrogen, forming covalent bond, and CH4 they are going to form. CH4 they are going to form. This reaction you have to learn. Next one, here also methyl iodide is there, here also methyl iodide is there. Methyl iodide is there. I said कि one carbon we have taken and one carbon का alkane will form. Here we have taken one carbon alkane, but we have formed two carbon alkane, right? So this is specific type of reaction, Wood's reaction. Specific type of reaction, Wood's reaction. यहाँ पर we have used only nascent hydrogen. Here we have used sodium. So how this reaction is going to take place? CH3I, ये होगा CH3I plus Na, right? This both are going to react. This bond will break down. This bond will break down. They both are going to react and they will form 2NaI. Now what is left? CH3. इसका एक bond free हो गया. इसका भी एक bond free हो गया. तो ये दोनों आपस में they will join together and form C2H6. Remember, from in the question paper it is being asked कि prepare methane from methyl iodide and prepare ethane from methyl iodide. So methane from methyl iodide you can prepare from nascent hydrogen. Ethane from methyl iodide you can prepare by Wood's reaction, taking sodium in the presence of dry ether. Giving, if any reaction is having some condition, you need to give the condition, otherwise your marks will be deducted. So यहाँ पर they are going to form C2H6 and 2NaI. This is specific for the preparation of ethane. This reaction is specific for the preparation of methane. Now, what are the chemical properties? What are the chemical properties of methane and ethane? So first chemical property is combustion. So always remember, any hydrocarbon is there, any hydrocarbon is there. When there is a sufficient supply of oxygen, they will always form carbon dioxide and water. Any hydrocarbon, even alkane, alkene, alkyne, कोई भी hydrocarbon is there. So when it is burned, they will always form carbon dioxide and water. When insufficient supply of oxygen is there, they will form carbon monoxide and water. When very less supply of oxygen is there, then also they will form carbon and water. Means एक oxygen will remove, but they will form product whenever they will be burnt. Whenever they will be burnt in a sufficient supply of oxygen, they will form carbon dioxide and water. When insufficient supply of oxygen, they will form carbon monoxide and water, and very less supply of oxygen, they will form carbon and water. Most important reaction is substitution reaction from this part. From this part, alkane, most important reaction is substitution reaction. Substitution, as they are alkanes, they are going to show substitution reaction, and सबसे ज़्यादा important is from chlorine, bromine and iodine. Chlorine, bromine and iodine. See what happens. This is a structure of methane, right? When one bond will break down, this bond is going to break, one H is released, one H is going to react with one chlorine forming HCl, and one chlorine is joining here. means what they are going to form, यहाँ पर one chlorine is going to react with Cl forming HCl and one chlorine is going to add here because bond break, तो इसको भी तो अपना valency they need to complete, so it will complete by Cl. What formula they have formed? CH3Cl. So what it is going to form? CH3Cl, which is also known as chloroform. IUPAC name chloro, one carbon meth, all the single bond ane. So name will be chloromethane. Now this CH3Cl, again it is going to react with Cl2. Now this bond is going to break. This H is going to react with Cl and one Cl is going to add here. Means यहाँ पर one Cl added. Now formula is CH2Cl2. HCl they have formed first and they will form CH2Cl2. So CH2 2 carb chlorine, so dichloro, one carbon meth, all the single bond ane. So dichloromethane. अभी भी इसके पास कंडीशन है कि यहाँ से H एक रिमूव हो सकता है. तो now this CH2Cl2 plus Cl2 again they will react. Now this bond is going to break. This H is going to react with one of the chlorine and one of the chlorine will add here. Now formula is CHCl3. And one HCl released. Formula will name will be 3 chlorine है तो trichloro, one carbon meth, all the single bond ane, तो name will be trichloromethane. अभी भी इसके पास कंडीशन है that it can remove one hydrogen. Now this bond is going to break. Now this CHCl3 is again going to react with chlorine. Now this bond is breaking down. Hydrogen reacts with Cl forming HCl and here chlorine is going to add. Chlorine added here. Now what is the formula? H removed. CCl4. That is tetrachloromethane. Now there is no more condition. अब कोई भी bond break नहीं हो सकता because all the bonds has been broken down and one new substance has been added. Now no substitution will be there. मतलब means final product is CCl4. So if substitution reaction will be asked for methane, so you have to show all the 4 reaction. In place of this chlorine, here bromine can also be there, iodine can also be there. Alright. So I hope it is clear. One of the important thing, you can be asked prepare chloroform from methane. Similarly for the ethane. C2H6. I think chlorine say it is given in the book. We do hear from iodine. What will happen? C2H6 is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Reaction will take place till all the hydrogen will be occupied, will be substituted by this iodine or chlorine or bromine. So at first this bond will break down, right? Forming HI and one I is going to add here. What will be the formula now? C2. What is the formula? C2. How many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C2H5 and what is added? I. So its name will be ido, 2 carbon H, all the single bond ane. So idoethane. Now again, इसके पास अभी भी condition है. This bond is going to break. Forming HI. और यहाँ पर add हो जाएगा I. Now the formula is C2. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon and how many iodine? 2. So diiodoeth, all the single bond ane, diiodoethane. Now this diiodoethane again reacts with iodine. Here bond is going to break. Again this hydrogen will remove and forming HI. And here I is going to be added, forming C2. How many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. And how many iodine? 3 iodine. Now again, this C2H3I3 again react with I2. Now what will happen? Again bond will break down and I is going to add here, forming here HI. What is the formula now? C2H2 C2H2I4. तो tetraido. Eth, all the single bond in tetraidoethane. Now again they are going to react with iodine. Here hydrogen is going to break, iodine is added, right? Again it is going to react. Here now iodine is added. Now finally C2I6. What they are going to form? C2I6. 6 is hexaidoethane. Now lastly what they are going to form? Hexaidoethane. I hope this substitution reaction is clear. Now catalytic oxidation. Last chemical property is catalytic oxidation. What is catalytic oxidation? Catalytic मतलब catalyst, oxidation means oxidize, means whenever any alkane, suppose methane, is going to react with oxygen in the presence of catalyst copper tubes. In the presence of catalyst copper tubes, 475 Kelvin of temperature and 128 atmospheric pressure. What they are going to form? Alcohol. So one carbon we have taken, so there alcohol of one carbon will form. So alcohol is OH, one carbon alcohol is one carbon we have added. Now this carbon will satisfy by hydrogen. So one bond it has formed with this. How many is left? 3 left. So how many hydrogen it requires? 3. So formula will be CH3OH. Alcohol it has formed. Suppose this alkane, that is CH4, is going to react with oxygen and in the presence of catalyst MOO, molybdenum oxide, they will always form aldehyde. Always remember alkane whenever undergo oxidation, catalytic oxidation, first it form alcohol, then it form aldehyde, then it form carboxylic acid in the presence of certain catalyst. So this methane is going to react with oxygen in the presence of molybdenum oxide. What will happen? They are going to form aldehyde. Aldehyde itself is having carbon, that is CHO. यहाँ पर हमने कितना कार्बन लिया है? 1 कार्बन. And aldehyde itself is having carbon, so no more carbon we require and no more carbon we will add. यहाँ पर this CHO will satisfy by only 1 hydrogen. 1 carbon का aldehyde it has formed. So what will be the name? Meth. All the single bond AN, methyl, or CHO. CHO is Al, so name will be methanol. Similarly, if alkane reacts with oxygen in the presence of platinum या फिर manganese compound at 300 degrees Celsius, they are going to form carboxylic acid. Here 1 carbon we have taken, so 1 carbon carboxylic acid will form. तो carboxylic acid itself is having carbon, तो 1 carbon यहाँ पे ही हो गया. अब this will satisfy by only 1 hydrogen, that is HCOOH. Meth, all the single bond AN and COOH, that is by oic acid. So name will be methanoic acid. Name will be methanoic acid. Its common name is formaldehyde. Common name is formaldehyde. Its common name is formic acid. Its common name is formic acid. Similarly with the ethane also. Similarly with the ethane. Suppose we have taken C2H6 and we have taken same condition, so alcohol will form. Alcohol of 2 carbon. So OH we write, alcohol of 2 carbon, to C-C. Now how many hydrogen it requires? This carbon require 2 hydrogen, this carbon require 3 hydrogen. So formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hydrogen and 2 carbon. तो क्या हो जाएगा? C2H5OH. Formula will be C2H5OH. Now in the presence of this ethane, in the presence of MOO, molybdenum oxide, forming aldehyde. So aldehyde of 2 carbon, aldehyde itself has 1 carbon CHO. Now 1 carbon more it requires, right? 2 carbon यहाँ पर है, 2 carbon यहाँ होने चाहिए. 1 carbon already it is having, 1 carbon we have given. Now this carbon will satisfy by hydrogen. तो यहाँ पर कितने हाइड्रोजन चाहिए? 1, 2, 3. तो यहाँ पर CH3 CHO. Right? Now again in the presence of platinum, what they are going to form? Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is 2 carbon carboxylic acid, COOH. 1 carbon already it is having, 1 carbon we more require, तो 1 यहाँ पर CH3, तो CH3 COOH. This is what? Catalytic oxidation of alkane. Catalytic oxidation of alkane. Now slow oxidation. So same होता है slow oxidation, but यहाँ पर condition different हो जाता है. बस यहाँ पर हम क्या use कर देते हैं? CK2 Cr2 K2CR2O7। यहाँ पर भी हम क्या यूज कर देते हैं, K2CR2O7। यहाँ पर भी हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं, K2CR2O7। बाकी सारा कुछ विल रिमेन सेम. Uses you have to learn from your book only. Learn from your book. All right, that's all.